Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Pinterest tag for affiliate marketing in USA step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to Pinterest's official website. Log in to your Pinterest business account. If you don't have a business account, click on Join as a business to create one. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Claim. Scroll down to find the Claim Your Website section. Enter the URL of your website in the provided field. Choose the method of verification that suits you best. The most common method is adding a meta tag to your site's header. To do this, copy the provided meta tag. Open your website's content management system. Navigate to your website's header section. Paste the copied meta tag just before the closing /head tag. Save your changes to the website. Return to Pinterest and click the Verify button. Wait for Pinterest to process your verification. Once verified, your website will be claimed, and you'll see your website's information on your profile. Next, navigate to the Ads section on Pinterest. Click on Conversions to set up your Pinterest tag. Select Create a Tag and then choose Standard. Follow the prompts to customize your tag according to your marketing needs. Copy the tag code provided by Pinterest. Return to your website and add the Pinterest tag code to your site's header, just like before. Make sure to save your changes once again. To test if the tag is working, use the Pinterest Tag Helper Chrome extension. Install the extension if you haven't done so already. Once installed, open your website and click on the Tag Helper icon. The tool will notify you if the tag is firing correctly. If everything is set up properly, you're now ready to track conversions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.